Patrick here, and today I want to show you this fantastic little hand air blower that was sent to me by the brand. This is from Wolfbox. They make incredible products, and I'm sure this is going to be killer as well. So this is their Super Power True Fan. This is the Megaflow 50. So let's open it up, give it a good test. Okay, so I've got it out of the plastic, so let's open it up. Great packaging, Wolfbox. Everything I've ever got from them just has phenomenal packaging. I'm very excited to get this open, try it out. So you've got a little guide here that's going to kind of show you everything on here, how it works, where the charging port is, the inlet, the outlet, how to turn it on and off. You've got your user manual here. Got your charging cable. This is a USB to USB-C. And then our actual unit itself. And wow, this is surprisingly, like, not crazy beefy, but this has got some heft to it for the size. So here's the unit itself, and then you've got a couple different attachments. You've got 3 different attachments that can go on here. All right, so when you want to switch out these attachments, you're just going to rotate it. It's going to come off, and then to put your other attachments on, you'll get it on there and then rotate it and it'll lock it into place. Here on the back, this is going to kind of be like your on/power mode. So you see that it's lit up here because I held it. So it's got these 3 lit up right now. So that's like high. Press it again, you're on medium, and then low. If you just hold it down, shuts it off. And then once you have it on a mode, you'll hold this button down, and as you hold it, it'll blow. And I just tried this off camera for a second, and this thing is insane. Like, way, way more powerful than I expected. So I'm going to turn it on here, hold this back button. Now it's on, and then to use it, I'll hold this down. I'm going to test this with my keyboard. So let's see. How this goes. And I do have this on high, so let's give it a good shot. That is very, maybe punchy's the right word. Let me try another one of these. So I forget which one it came with. One of these 2 is what was on it. So let's try this other one. You can see it's moving my skin. That's crazy. Watch. And I guess there's a light in here too. Oh, that's cool. When I turn this on, it's blowing the phone. Look, you can probably see. That is really stinking cool. So you can see here, I just got some like random crap on the floor because I need to vacuum. That's crazy. This thing's tiny, and that is super powerful. All right, do you see all that over there? I'm gonna try to get that from where I'm sitting. I'm gonna put the like long nozzle on. So I got like the longest nozzle that it comes with, and you can see like where I am. There's a chair, desk, and all that stuff. So that's probably like, I don't know, 4 feet away. So let's just see if it can hit it. That's crazy. Now, one of the things I probably will use this like primarily for, while all that is really cool, is dusting my computer. Because one, computers are expensive, so I want to keep it dust free. So let's test it out. This is like a little dust grate cover, but it just gets super dusty. So. That is really stinking cool. Now we got this open. Let's see how much dust is really going to come out of this. You ready? Like a dust storm. That thing is incredible. Definitely recommend checking this thing out. That is so much more powerful than I had anticipated. Very, very stinking cool.